Hi, my name is Ras and welcome again to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna demonstrate how you can install the mic to your camera. So no matter what camera you have or what mic you have, it's really easy and straightforward to install that mic into your camera. So in this video I'm gonna demonstrate using my 7D Mark II, which is a really old camera, and I'm still using it till today. I still love this camera as well. Good memories as well. And also I'm gonna use my, as you know, I'm gonna use my Rode VideoMic Pro to demonstrate how you can attach the mic to your camera. It's, as I said, it's pretty straightforward. It's nothing complicated. I wanted to show how I would do it on my M50, but because I'm recording this video using my M50, I can't show you on that, but it's still the same procedure. So on my 7D Mark II, I can check here. So usually says mic. So what I do usually, I open this slot. I make sure I put the Shure mic on top of my camera. Just make sure it's secure and safe as well. Now I'll go this wire around and just plug into this small hole which says mic. I believe in each camera will you're gonna have such place where we're gonna say mic, so you don't get confused. So once it's done, that's pretty much done. Switch on your camera. As you can see, it's on now. I don't have a lens attached to the camera right now, but also you need to switch on the mic as well. So with Rode VideoMic Pro, switching on, it's basically from here. So just to show you, so you can see. So all you need to do is just switch it on. As you can see here, at my settings, I usually like to put like +20. So basically means my sound will be a bit higher. So, but if you want to be flat, you can just put on 0. But depending what mic you're gonna use with your camera. So as I said, guys, it's pretty easy, it's straightforward. You don't need any additional knowledge. You just need to make sure the Shure mic is secure. So in my case, I just rotate this little attachment to make sure the mic is safe to my camera. Also make sure the wire is plugged in fully. Otherwise, you'll be recording a video without sound, which will be really bad. So just make sure when you attach and when you plug the mic to your camera, just go all the way down until you hear this click. Just make sure the mic is properly attached to your camera, and also it's safe to your camera as well. That's pretty much it in terms of how to install the mic to your camera. Depending what mic you are using, if you're using wireless mic, it's pretty much same thing. You just need to connect your receiver with your controller. So yeah, so thanks for watching this video. Thumbs up as well. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Any questions, ask them in comments. I'm really happy to reply back to you. And yeah, I'll see you next video. Do not forget again to subscribe to my channel so you're not missing any videos which I'm gonna post on my channel.